Happy Saturday, everyone. So I'm headed to the grand opening of MAKERSPACE CT. I'm meeting up with Shin. She's there with me already. But pretty much it's supposed to be like a co-working space for entrepreneurs and different technology innovations like 3D printing, textile design, jewelry design, you know. So I'm really interested to see this space and just give you guys a tour. So if you guys ever make it to Connecticut, or if you're in Connecticut and you don't know that a space, a co-working space like this and lab exists, I'm gonna give you guys a first-hand look. So follow along. So it's located at 960 Main Street, right in the heart of Hartford, and Jen should be there already. Before we get into the visual tour, I just wanted to show you guys the 8 sections that the MAKERSPACE is divided into. There's a wood shop, metal shop, an area for textiles and jewelry, machine shop, a computer lab, plastics lab, a digital fab, and a really cute think tank. So I'm all checked in, and my girl Shin is here. So she was here before me, so she's gonna give us our tour. I'm always here before her. She's gonna give us the tour. Yeah. So let's go.
So this is the textile room. You have 4 sewing machines. Seiko. I've actually never heard of this brand. But we have 3 jewelry, which is like the machines,
like the IT machines. Got it.
Your stitch, your hand wheel. I don't know if I can feel it.
So this is the jewelry. This is the jewelry section.
Not too big. It's a nice little.
Yeah, it's a nice size. Ooh, what's this? Wire
3D printing.
Oh.
This is what I'm doing.
Like to cut plastics and plexiglass and stuff. Oh, I see. Oh, wow. So that was the metal lab, and now we're headed to, I don't know. Oh, we're gonna look at some tools. We're gonna look at some tools. Oh, this is the machining room.
Be able to display things that people have made. We have events here. Hopefully we'll have catalogs so that people can go online and order materials and things to make their projects downstairs.
So that's pretty much the tour of MAKERSPACE CT. It's really cool. I'm really happy to have something like MAKERSPACE CT for the crafters and makers
of the city.
Because I really feel like in Connecticut, appreciating like the makers and the artisans and the crafters, you don't really have like that many open spaces like that available. But having something like this like encourages, whether you're a student, whether you just want to dive into a new industry, you can take classes, and even if you do know what you're doing, you can also use their machines.
Yes, yes. So there's two parts of it. So you can either rent it out and just work here, and you can learn how to use different things. So for me, I'm a fashion designer. I would probably use this space.
Right.
I already know how to use the machinery, but I would probably take a 3D printing class because it's something I'm interested in.
So I think that's the beauty, that when you sign up as a member, like let's say your specialty is in, you know, metalsmithing, but you want to learn about 3D printing or just learning how to sew, you can take classes because this whole space offers a wide variety of crafts to learn and master.
Yeah. Cool.
So make sure you guys check them out. The information in the bio down below. So you know, Connecticut, you know, good job guys.